Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a fine coin set from Egypt, and they're all, this is a £1 coin from 2005. It has the Arab Republic of Egypt on this side along with the value, and then on this side we have King Tut, or Pharaoh King Tut, Pharaoh Tut, Tutankhamun. This is quite a widely available coin. However, the mintage for this 2005 coin is not available. The second of the 5 coins is this one. Again, it's a £1 coin and it's the new capital Benevolita de Bongo. It's the Arabic denomination on this side and the value, and then on the reverse we have a depiction of the new Asuyut, that's S-U-Y-U-T, barrage across the Nile, the River Nile. The mintage for this 2019 coin is 40 million. Again, on this side we have the Arabic denomination plus the value. This £1 coin is from 2021 and is one of the later coins, and it's another commemorative, and this one is representing doctors. This 2021 coin has a mintage of 10 million. This fourth coin, again back into focus, is a 50 piastres. It's from 2019. On here you have the Arabic denomination and the Arabic numbering system representing 50, and on the reverse is the 3 trees in a field with a tractor. This 50 piastres coin has a mintage from this 2019 50 piastres coin has a mintage of 25 million. And the final coin in this particular one again has the denomination, the Arabic denomination and Arabic numerals for the 2019 New Egyptian countryside. On the reverse it's the same as a 50 piastres. We have 3 trees in a field with a tractor. However, the mintage for this coin is 40 million. Oops, come out. That finishes this short coin video of Egyptian coins. I've bagged them back up ready for me to flip them and put them into my collection. I do a minimum 4 videos a week on average, but normally, just recently I've been doing 5. I'm hoping to grow my channel subscription level. Currently I'm at around about 174 or 73, 74, something like that, and I'm hoping very much to grow it to, by the end of the year, to 250. For this I will need your help, so if you've enjoyed this video please give me the thumbs up. If you believe I deserve it, will you please subscribe to the channel. However, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins. I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.